आप दुबई से वापस आ गए, कहानी आगे बढ़ गई। अब
दुबई
वो
से
सॉरी
वापस आ
सॉरी
गया.
नहीं नहीं सॉरी, अब तो जिमनी ये यही अंकल है, यही क्लाइंट है जिनको आपको फोन करना है।
My dad told me that, hey, the person who sold you the linear, that person,
हम्म,
that client of yours, why don't you reach out to him? And I did. And he was like, actually, I have a car. Funny enough, other that you're reaching out after like, almost a year or so. Like last time it was some happy Diwali message and we kind of lost touch. But बता देखो क्या चाहिए, क्या दिख रहा है? And I was like,
learning learning always send happy Diwali messages. you you never know when they'll come in handy.
so yeah, fair enough. I'm also on the sales side of things, right? So I've always been
Yeah,
extroverted, always been in touch with people. So
nice.
I was just telling him that, hey, I'm looking for a car just in case. And there's a story behind how he acquires cars. So he
हाँ,
works in Pune in one of the automobile companies as a very senior person. And all these here is the framework actually. All these automobile companies, all the senior folks have a privilege is that they get a new car from the company every 2 years. And these guys usually staying close to the factories. They just drive to, and they love enthusiast cars. They are not going to
yeah,
go for the run of the mill, standard vehicles. They want something else,
yeah.
and they also are in the market. They know because they are researchers. So the person I knew, he's in the research wing of the company. He in the two-wheeler brand factory where he works. I'm not going to kind of mention that purposely, but they
There are no surprises which two-wheeler factories in
in
Pune.
Pune.
One Google search and you'll know it. But
And he was in the research wing there, and he's like, you know what? And they all kind of this breed of people who are engineers,
yeah,
researchers. All of them have master's degree, who have been in the company for 25 years, are now VPs. They all like there's a and there are X number of them. There's not just one person. There are like
yeah,
maybe thousands of these guys in the Pune, because there's JCB and Mercedes and all of these companies.
yeah. All of them are there. Yeah.
So he's like, I have a Merc. I was like, sir, I can't afford it. So sorry. I would love.
अच्छा वो मर्क भी बेच रहे थे?
He was just because he's like, my company is going to now in a couple of months going to give me a new vehicle. So I'm going to, you can wait for a few months. I was like, yeah, I can wait for
यार
a few
मेरी भी
months.
दोस्ती करा दे इनसे प्लीज.
I will.
I also want to get his cars after every 2 years.
So every 2 years, he has a plethora of cars, by the way, because he's an enthusiast. And he's like, yeah, मेरे पास अभी कुछ भी नहीं है तेरे को देने के लिए. But
हाँ,
I have an office buddy. वो मेरे साथ ही 20 साल से हम लोग लंच खाते हैं, साथ में बैठते हैं. And he's also a researcher. He's also a VP. He's also in the same company. And just like you have a relationship with me, you just, talk to him. And I sound, very straightforward men. Like, the old guard is what I say. Like, all of them are
yeah,
like
yeah,
silver hair. They're
yeah,
not here to make an extra 50,000, 1 lakh from you.
yeah, yeah.
आई एम वेरी अपफ्रंट कि बेटा ये देख, ये गाड़ी के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसा है, वो जमता है ले ले, नहीं है तो नहीं है, माइलेज नहीं है, ऐसा है, सर्विस कॉस्ट विल बी हाई, दिस व्हाट आई हैव डन विद द कार, XYZ. So that's how he introduced me to that person. And I went to meet him and he's like, yeah, I have a couple of cars. Of this, I have the Skoda, which I have to sell.
Couple of cars. Okay.
Yes, he has a couple of
कितनी
cars.
गाड़ियाँ हैं उनके पास? I'm curious now.
Yeah. The oldest he has is a Jeep, the Gypsy, the old Gypsy.
Okay.
So he loves birding, so he has a Gypsy. His wife has a Jazz. He has a Jimny, which he has just bought. And he had a RS. And उसके पास parking नहीं थी. He's like, I have bought from the Hilux, the Tata Hilux खड़ी हुई है डीलर के पास, मेरे पास parking नहीं है रखने के लिए. तो once one of these cars I can sell.
Tata
So
या Toyota?
what did I say?
You said Tata. Toyota Hilux.
So sorry. Toyota.
Fortuner की pickup ना?
Yeah. It's a beautiful.
That's also an insane car.
And
Insane
he's like,
car.
I tried the Jimny, but for birding, but I think I want the Hilux because, the Jimny can do a few things. So Gypsy can do everything, but Gypsy, abhi 2 saal mein it's going to go into scrap. So I really need a birding के लिए I need a main car. And I don't have parking, so my wife is not letting me sell the Jazz. So I don't have an option but to sell the Octavia now.
Oh man. And this, tell us about this Octavia.
With a fractured hand, like one hand was in a cast, I drove from my home all the way till Pimpri. Pimpri Chinchwad is where the factories are, where most of these folks are. It's just like Gurgaon and NCR sort of thing. So ended up, so he drove it actually. I didn't want to drive it because I had hand, one was in a cast. So I was like, sir, aap hi chalao and I'll sit. And that's it. I loved the car. The minute I sat in it, I told him that's the way to sell the car. So it reminded me of Scent of a Woman, where you like sit in that Ferrari, and that the experience of sitting in the Ferrari is all that Al Pacino's character was looking at. I was just sitting in the pillion seat and in the second seat, and that's where I was like, whoa, like the minute my head just kind of went back and hit, I was like, this is the enthusiast stuff I was looking for. So.
Yeah.
This is a July 2018 model, registered in August. It had driven only, because he has so many cars, right? It had only driven 29,000 kilometers.
What engine does it have? It's a 2 liter.
2 liter 4 cylinder, and I think it makes around 227 bhp. This is, so they have two models in India. So there's a 230 and a 245.
Okay.
So this is the 230.
Left. And how much did you pay for this?
I ended up paying 19.5 for it.
19.5.
Well, for me, and he was quoting a little higher, and I told him, I just had one conversation. I was like, sir, 20 ke upar nahi ho payega. That's like a very, very hard no for me. And I did my evaluation. I went in the second-hand market, looked at the vehicle, looked at the fact that everything was done. He even went ahead and he had changed the coolant, and the coolant colors were different. So he's like, you know what, that's a 30,000 rupee job at Skoda, around 30,000 job. I'll get that done. I'll get a new servicing done for you. I'll get the wipers changed because it's anyway monsoon. He got all of that done for me. Right. So I was like, overall, I was like, okay, we closed it at 19.5. And that's
How did you finance this car? Did you pay upfront or did you take any loans?
upfront. Yes.
And if somebody is taking a loan for a second-hand car, then in that case, just take into account the interest cost that you're going to be paying over the life of the car into the car upfront as well. So don't just think that you're getting a car for 19.5 lakhs. Take into account that you're also taking a loan at say 12%, and therefore that assume an incremental 4% interest rate. If you were to buy a new car, you would get it at 8.5, 8.8, and now you're getting it. So whatever the differential is, account for that also in the cost of the car. Is it still under warranty though? I'm assuming not.
No, I think there's no warranty on it anymore. Yeah.
Thank you for watching that clip. If you enjoyed that clip, you will probably enjoy the full conversation in the full video as well. Watch the full video by clicking on the link above, right here in the corner.